We have the new KIRO Morph. KIRO Morph is a conversion kit made by KIRO. Morph is Morphosa. Change to instant shooting machine. Open it. Open the buttstock. You put the cocking handle. You insert the gun. Easy. You close the Morph and you close. That is the Morph with the gun inside. When you want to shoot, you hold it on your leg or on a bag. You draw it, you hold it, you press the button, you put it on your chest and you shoot. You have two backup sights coming with the Morph, and you can put the red dot sight. That's how it goes. You want to take it out, you press on the button, you take it out, you draw the handle and you close it again. Easy.